2012 Ford 550. Cummins generator. This is gas. $45,000 miles, actually 44,000 miles. Fleet maintained truck. Got your remote there. Got your safe. I got all the keys. I got an extra key as well. Power windows, power locks. You got your camera in the back. We'll hear the motor in a little bit. You got your lights in the front. 2 sets of keys. Uh, 45,000 miles. Camera. You go take a look at that engine now. Now, I have a total of 3 available, all 550s. Only difference is miles. This one has 45,000 miles. The other one has 105. The other one has 108. All 3 of them are available as of right now. If it's something that you are interested in, let me know. Call me, text me. We are open until next Friday. So if you need it before then, before the new year, hurry up and let's make it happen. You can call me at the number in the bottom, 954-347-6350. My name is Frankie, Frankie Deals. And yes, we do package deals. Looking forward and hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.